Hi, welcome. Simon here, and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to increase your RAM on your laptop. So this here is a Dell Vostro 7620. It runs on a DDR5 RAM, and I'll walk you through step by step on how to do the installation or upgrade your RAM. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to identify the model number. If you turn it around at the back of your computer, take a closer look here. It says P117F, all right, or P117F003. That is the Dell Vostro 7620. And let's get started. So the first thing you need to have is probably the 1.5 Phillips screwdriver. This is quite a tiny little small screw head, and you want to remove the screw. So the top right and top left, the two screws, they do not come off. So when you click turning it and you hear that little clicking noise to it, that's probably you have reached to the max of unscrewing the screw. All right, and let's continue working the rest of other screws here at the very bottom, and they all do come right off. And for those of you who are not sure where to buy the replacement parts, what I'll do is I'll link them down in the description below. It will direct you to Amazon or eBay, where you can find the actual compatible RAM and the right tools and the right parts for this upgrade. All right, so once you have removed all the screws here at the bottom, on the side, on the top, now what you want to do is go ahead and separate the back cover. I'm using my fingernail and my finger separating that back cover on this part here. You might have to put some pressure on it because the clipper is clipping down the back cover, and just putting some pressure and you should be able to pry open the entire back cover. All right, at this point here, it's very straightforward. It goes right here is your RAM. It even says here DDR5 only, meaning that it runs on a DDR5 RAM. To remove the RAM, what you want to do is to push the two sides away from each other and let the RAM pop right up. Okay, so the RAM has popped at 45-degree angle, and you can just slide it off just that. On this original RAM, it says 8 gigabytes, PC5, 4800 megahertz, and that is the size of the RAM. All right, so what I'll do again, please check down the description below where you can find this on Amazon or eBay, and I'll get you the right parts for this. All right, let's just say the RAM comes in and you remove the 8 gigs of RAM. You can now upgrade to 32 or 64, up to you, whichever you like. And make sure that the RAM, that little empty slot in the middle, is supposed to match here on the RAM slot, the motherboard RAM slot, right on this part. Okay, make sure it match to that empty hole, so that you know you are not doing it the other way around. Okay, so push it all the way in at 45-degree angle, and you have it. Just push it down right in the center and let the clip to clip on its own. So you push it far enough, the clip would lock it in and hold onto your RAM. That's pretty much it. And you do not need to do a configuration on the settings. You do not have to do anything about it. All you have to do is just put the back cover back on. All right, just like so. Just press it down on all the sides of the corner here. Make sure you clip back in. Get your screwdriver. Screw in on the top right. Screw in on the top left. Okay, press it down. Finish up putting all the screws in, and that should do it. Again, you do not need to go to the Windows settings. a device manager to make sure you have the RAM activate. There's no activation or anything on the RAM. It will just work right off once you change it. Alright, if you do find this video is helpful, please click the like button for me, or maybe smash the like button. I really appreciate you for doing that. At the same time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. I do make a lot of computer repair videos, and if you have any question, please comment below. I do read your comments and I'll try to answer any of your computer questions. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, please take care and bye now.